so delighted to see you here in this advanced course for Shamanic Journeying. Before we dive into it, first you need to make sure that you went through my beginner course How to do a Shamanic Journey to find and bring back your power animal. Because you should already be familiar with journeying and you need to have found your own power animal before you do a journey for someone else. The reason for this is because your power animal will normally go with you on your journey to guide you regardless of whether you are doing a journey for yourself or for someone else. My name is Daniela and I have learned shamanic methods back in 2001 when I lived in Germany. I had a wonderful teacher who taught me professional aura balancing, trance dance, shamanic journeying and soul retrieval. In my beginner course, you have learned how to visit the middle world, the underworld and the upper world. You have also learned how to find your power animal and to bring it back, which symbolically means bringing back your personal power. Now, in this advanced course, you will learn how to do a soul retrieval.